Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You are watching DIP and Art. In today's class, we're gonna learn how to write letter noon and ha. For writing letter noon, I am placing here 5 dots for the length and this 1 dot for one curved space. For the bottom part, you can make it very round, which is 3 dots in width, and taking the end move to the very top of the letter. Last move should be higher than the first one. Let's write it without any guidelines. Now we use another shape for this, which is not very round at the bottom. We have another shape which starts by writing the letter ba and then place the letter noon inside the letter ba. Now we are ending the letter by connecting the 2 last moves of the letter noon and letter ba, so that they look the same letter, and placing the dot of the noon in the middle part. Now focus on this thing when you are using in this letter noon in a combination. This is not completely round at the bottom. I'm going to show you guys. This is not completely round. I'm writing here a word kun, which is kaf and noon. I'm gonna try using it with the second shape so that it's clear that how it is used. Moving towards the letter ha, which is 3 dots in width, and we're gonna start making this letter by drawing a curvy line, a little curvy line, which is slightly going downward. Moving back to the left, we have 3 moves: this one, and this one. If you know how to write Arabic, then your column will be moving by itself. With the writing letter, you're gonna see the perfect shape at the end. We have this another shape to write a letter ha when it is used at the end of a word, and we make a little spiral at the end and then filling up with the ink. We have 2 more shapes for writing the letter ha. First one is round on both sides, upper and lower side, and the second one is almond shape on the upper side and round at the bottom part. Time to say goodbye. I'll see you in the next video, inshallah. This is Meghra signing off. Fi amanillah.